Hello, it is me again, and today I'm playing Royale High School, or Royale High, with my Brazilian friend, and here she is.
Hello, guys.
Okay, yeah, that's her. This is her, called Clara. Let's go. So let's see around here. I like the gem. Oh, I picked up the gem. Let's hope I spawn at the same place as my friend. Oh my gosh, where are you? Where are you?
I'm here.
I see you, yes. Okay. Who's Claire?
Hmm?
Oh, okay, never mind. So let's claim a locker together. Come here.
Here, Gabby.
Why? Oh, fine. Said waffles. Now I'm gonna open this. Hey guys, whatever you do, don't look at this. And I know if you're gonna probably keep looking at my video and see what my password is. So to be honest, I have to do this. Sorry. Okay, so, oh my gosh, I just lost her. Yes, found you. You're so lucky. You have like so many gems. I only have 2 gems, sadly. Okay, this is really sad. I am going to go up here, and I am going to... Here, come on, follow me, okay? I need one that has 2 claim dorm. It has 2 claim dorms, I need...
Don't have.
Okay.
I think I have. I think I found.
2 claim dorm?
Don't have. But we can sleep.
No, come here. Look, right here. Look, watch.
I don't find you.
Moose. I found the moose.
I lost you.
Oh, don't worry, you'll be fine.
I think I found you. No.
Yeah, it's backy gases.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, I'm going.
Yep, sorry. So we have to be in a different room, sorry. So let's move
I go
over.
sleep and I go just by mine and go. We need go to the homework center to make our
Homework center? This is the homework center. And yes, technically... No, you do your homework here. Trust me. You do your homework here.
I go to my homework center. I know this is good to work.
Oh well. I will just...
I go find you.
See? Watch this. Okay, so... Let's see over here. I have to do my homework. It's probably getting annoying saying doot, isn't it?
Yeah.
What should I say? Beep, beep, mommy sheep. Yeah, beep, beep, mommy sheep. Okay. So. No homework to do. That is like the best phrase I've heard. Like,
but you need to put your homework on the places. You need lock your...
No, it's fine. Hi. So this girl is like right over here.
No. So we go to. Oh my gosh! I don't finish my homework, and I need.
It's okay. Go to the dance. Go get ready at the royal dance. You can do it.
Wait! No. Okay.
Get ready. Brothers and sisters.
I can't enter.
Yes.
I think you are not.
Okay, so I think I'm gonna. Yes, okay, I'm empty. I am alone. Guys, give me some privacy, please. Okay, I think I'm gonna go up this ladder. Bathing jacuzzi. Oh my gosh, there's fire in the jacuzzi. You know what? I think I'm just gonna go to dance. Oh, the dance. You're gonna miss the dance, just saying.
No.
Oh, you didn't. Good. Okay. Wait, where are you? Where are you? Stop!
Here. I'm flying.
Halt in the name of,
Law.
I have no idea.
Stop in the name of the law. I'm in DJ.
Hello, DJ.
It's raining outside. Oh, stop raining.
It's not
Raining
rain.
now.
It's not
What's
rain.
this? So, what's this?
It's not rain. Trust me. It's confetti. Okay?
There's confetti outside. Look in my ears.
What you want?
Oh, look!
I'm swimming in the water. Oh my gosh.
I remember.
Actually, to be honest, this is fun. Really, to be honest, this is really fun. Ow.
I need cool. Yay! Nice limboing. You won.
Oh, since I am the daughter of Ariel, honestly, I
So?
think I should have a tail during swimming. So,
But I don't know.
yeah. Oh well. I just say
But I don't know who I am, daughter.
you look like. Let me see. Where are you? Where are you?
I'm done. I don't know. Here. I'm here.
DJ!
I go to you, DJ. Hi, DJ. Here, DJ.
Okay,
DJ,
this is my secret. I be nice to people. I be nice to people so I get to be voted queen. It's just like the best. Yay, I won 25 diamonds.
I have 2. I have.
How many diamonds do you have? 1,400
Look at her and look at me.
and 1,452. Okay, yeah, okay, to be honest, I wasted mines. I wasted mine, so
Now
yes.
look how I have. Because I make a nice rainbowing. And you are losing.
Oh my gosh. Okay, to be honest, if you had yellow hair or blonde hair, you would look like the daughter of Cinderella. Ah! I fell over.
I have an idea. I'm daughter of Bella. Bella and
Oh, Belle! Oh my gosh, you're the daughter of Belle? Yes.
Bella. I don't know.
Well,
how
in
to
Portuguese it's Bella, but in English it's Belle.
say. Okay.
So yeah.
So yeah.
Oh, okay, I'm fine. I'm fine.
How spell Bell?
B-E-L-L-E.
B-E-L-L-E. Bell. So
I don't want to choose king or queen.
King. Don't vote in me. Why you don't?
Oh,
vote?
sorry. Yeah, I forgot about that. You know, actually, when you were playing, when I was right here, to be honest, when I was right here, I voted for you. When I was right here, and I was like, "How do you know my name?" I voted for you. I voted for Sir Waffles, but apparently nobody wants to.
I vote in you every time of I'm playing with you. If you don't know,
Thank you. What, you voted for me this time?
But
No.
it's not. Look, I'm sitting on the king chair.
Oh, stop it. You're not a
can
boy.
sit. You can sit. Rio, half times. I remember half times of you.
Okay, come on, follow me.
Okay.
Do 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 do.
Whoa, wait.
No, actually, let's stay here.
I can jump here.
No, come here, follow me.
Okay.
Do 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 do.
It's snowing. I see snow. Rio, I see snow. Wow, we can.
Well, it's fascinating to you because, well,
Whoa.
you're from Brazil. Like, it doesn't rain there, snow there a lot. I know that, but
I know I see snow a lot here, but in Brazil I never see.
where are you?
I'm
Oh my gosh, I
here
see you. I see you.
in the heart and
Of the Fiti.
the feet. The heart of the feet.
I'm sorry, I had to. Now. Ooh, I see you inside the heart. Get in the heart. Get in the heart.
I'm here.
Okay, this is a big heart. Come on.
Yeah,
Follow me.
Okay, I will follow you, Alana. It's not
Now.
your Rio, but you are Princess Alana in the game. So I call
yeah.
you Princess Alana.
Or call me Unicorn, to be honest.
Yeah.
Tricked ya. Okay.
Here, Sir Waffles 2009.
Oh well, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. And I hope to see you later. Goodbye.